Hello and welcome to Patrick's Models of Transport. So I've been cleaning the track. Here's some dirty cotton buds. Usually I use cotton buds and lighter fluid because this way I polish the top of the track and I don't have any rubber strands. I don't have a track rubber. I'm going to buy one because it's handy. Anyway, now I want to thank CZ Tuner, Andy Reid, because in his latest comment he was telling me that he uses one of these old Jouef Playcraft 040 brass wheeled locomotives to clean the track, because running up and down the dirt sticks to the brass and then it's easier to clean. Just look at the comment. And honestly, I took my railcar, my scratch built railcar, that's got brass wheels, it's a Jouef chassis, and I've been running it up and down a few times, even quite quickly. I cleaned those points before, and this is a chassis that doesn't like dirty points. It tends to get stuck. I've zoomed it up and down a few times, doing the length of the sidings. So this section here. Now let's just move the points. Let's see what happens now, and it's much smoother. Famous last words. Plunger pickups. They're not going at realistic speeds. It does anyway. On the pickup bogie, it doesn't like plastic frogs. It's going better than before, I'll get one of those locomotives sooner or later. One with the brass wheels, one with a sausage motor. Let's change the points and go the other way. Let's have a look at the state of the wheels. Of course, there's no visible dirt now, but I'll have to give these a clean anyway because it's been running plenty. Let's move it onto this line here and just forget about it. And now we'll take the Lima 040 that was hiccuping before. Okay, it touched a frog there, an infill frog. Very short wheelbase. Much better. Of course, pocket rocket speeds. Okay, let's go over there. And let's park go in front of the station. problem at all. I didn't go all the way to the buffer beam, and that's not a very new piece of track. I didn't clean till the far end. Of course, it's misbehaving now. Well, that's much better. I should clean the track before the buffer stops over there. The truth is that I'm a bit lazy. I mean, I'm going to be taking this board dismantling, meaning putting it back behind the door very soon, and I just can't really be bothered doing much track cleaning, but at least we've improved some things. I'll go and clean those 2 points here with lighter fluid. Anyway, very good tip. Very good tip, Andy. And because really this is, I can put the brass wheels of this locomotive chassis of the railcar to good use. But definitely sooner or later I'll get one of those locomotives. I had a look, I buy things from the Vinted platform, and there were quite a few of them, but it was in production for a very long time. I have to find the one with the brass wheels, because later ones have got chrome wheels. So chrome plated brass. So we actually have to get the proper brass ones, like on this locomotive here. So on this chassis, on the rail car. But I've got the rail car, so we can actually put it to good use. I'll have to get track rubber sooner or later, because it's just one of these things that I've always used the cotton buds and lighter fluid, and generally things come nice and clean. But the problem is I'm really using a collection of old track. I mean, I've got really old track. I've got good stuff that doesn't oxidize, like this Diamond Crossing. This is this brown Lima tends to oxidize. This is brass track, and it's a mixed match, that jumble. Jouef points are very good quality, but they're made of steel, so they tend to oxidize, and that's one of the drawbacks of these Jouef points. But Jouef points are really very good quality, definitely very good. I think I have a couple that are actually in nickel silver over here. No, they're all, there's a nickel silver one there, that one's good. So there are both nickel silver ones and steel ones. Anyway, okay, so that's that. Thanks for the tip, and we'll be able to do this shunting video tomorrow. And then I'm going to be preparing the famous video where we arrest the councillors, no? The happy councillors of Brunel City. So cheerio, and see you next time.